It's not a big deal. So he wanted to know what happened that day. So I now told him, I said, hold on. I called Precious. She didn't answer me. And I asked him, did you see that? I called again, Precious. She didn't answer. Then Ikenna called her and she turned. So he asked her, he said, my landlady called you. You didn't answer. Why? And she said, because she does not want to answer. So I said, okay, it's fine. But I just wanted to say something. You don't greet me. I don't trouble you about this. I don't make an attempt to correct you. Please leave these children. Because you trying to correct them repeatedly, you are the only one correcting them in the compound. You're the only one finding their faults in the compound. Your boyfriend Ikenna does not, I don't, Mr. Pascal does not, Esther does not. And then I told her, please, keep your eyes off these children. They are the only ones assisting me indoor and in the compound. And then she fled and said, I will remove my eyes from them. And you two, leave me alone.
Sometimes she will do soap and she will give to her.
That was just once.
Sometimes she...
It was just once. Not sometimes. It was once.
She will do groundnut. She will fry groundnut. She will give to her. We are in good times in the compound. So later, there was these two children that was helping her. Fumi and Joke. They came. She called and they came. They were helping her. So there was a peg in that compound. That peg is not my own. That peg has been in that compound before I packed in. The former tenant was the owner of the peg. So she now asked me to remove that peg from that rope. I asked her, how will I remove rope? How will I remove peg that is not my own? She said Mr. Pascal, being the other tenant, told her that he left the peg for me. So unfortunately, one day Mr. Pascal was on indigent. He wanted to pump water that day. I asked Mr. Pascal, please don't be offended. Did you tell Madam Alice that you left this peg for me? Mr. Pascal said no. That he left this peg on this rope, that whoever that wants to use it can use it.
Hey guys, welcome to another courtroom drama. Please don't forget to like this video, and if you are seeing my video for the first time, please don't forget to hit the subscribe bell to get notified on another courtroom case.
Alice, you're the one that brought Ikenna. How is it to you?
One of my tenants.
You have to speak out.
He's one of my tenants.
Okay, so why are you here?
Okay, I'm here because I gave him a quit notice, but he has refused to leave. And along the line, he told some of my neighbors that he's not going to leave, and he's going to still stay in my apartment. He's still going to occupy my apartment, and he's not going to make payments, and there's nothing I will do. That's by the law, he's not supposed to pay. On several occasions, that was on the 16th of June, I called him, I reminded him. I told him, this makes a month you have been in my apartment, and you have refused to make payments. He said his lawyer asked him not to pay, that he's not supposed to pay. Then after I applied online to the Justice Court to kindly intervene, he was invited.
What do you have to say to all this?
My name is Ikenna. I'm a tenant to Madam Alice.
When did you become a tenant then?
Last year.
Please be audible.
Last year.
Last year. How many years did you pay, or what period did you pay for? Is it a yearly tenant?
Yes,
Yearly.
yes, Honor.
You paid for 1 year.
Yes, ma'am.
So he's just been there for 1 year.
Yes.
And you want him out?
Yes.
Is there more to this?
Yes.
What is the problem? I don't think you have really narrated what is causing the problem.
Okay, I was trying to be brief.
No, let me have it.
Okay. Actually, I'm having a spinal injury. Since last year, July. I've been receiving treatment. So along the line, in December, I fell down. So it triggered the pain again. I was trying to manage it. In January this year, I think January 5th, I fell when I was in the kitchen. At the point, I tried to stand up, but I fell again. So there was no way out. I was calling on my other tenant from my window, but I didn't know he had gone to see his family. So I pulled my bedspread, my bed sheets. I was able to get my phone. I called him. He said yes, he was at home. And I told him, please rush me to the nearest hospital. We left home at around 2:30 midnight. Lo and behold, I was hospitalized, and from one hospital to the other. And the last hospital, because I had to call my surgeons in Igbobi, and he asked me to come. So I went to Igbobi. After I've been receiving, I'm still on treatment. I'm still on medications. And when on the 21st of January, when I returned home from Igbobi, his girlfriend came in on the 22nd. That was the next day. She came from the east. Though before she came, I told him, I said, you remembered before you paid your rent, I asked you if you were married. You said you were not married. And I told you, I don't have issues with any couple, but I would not want females in my compound because of my past experiences. And he said, no, he wasn't married.
What do you mean by female? So female visitor can come in to see him?
They can.
Okay.
I told him they can. And I told him, I said, I would not want, because I had to explain. I said, I wouldn't want a female that would come and cause discords in the compound.
Okay.
Honorable Ikena, Prince Will, and Pascal Goyo, they are my two tenants. The other one the third one has gone back to Calabar, Esther. I've never had issues with anybody, either of them. We have been living peacefully. When I cook, I extend to them. We drink together. I always tell them, take the house as your house. You know, we live as a family. But suddenly, his girlfriend came in January, and the whole thing became, I didn't just understand what was going on. Firstly, two of my neighbors, they asked two of their daughters, because I don't have a child yet. They asked two of their daughters to come stay with me. These girls were assisting me. They are teenagers, young teenagers. They were assisting me cook, do the laundry, do the chores, and more. So along the line, there was a day, Fumi did the laundry. This is the genesis of this that I'm trying to explain. Fumi did the laundry and she spread the clothes. At the point of spreading my clothes outside, she saw the pegs Ikena left on the rope. And I can recall vividly, last year, for over 4 months, I kept telling Ikena, these pegs, I encountered a challenge. When I wanted to spread my clothes, I had to start removing, spread, remove, and I told him, please, do well to remove the pegs. Keep them in a disposable plastic. Anytime you want to use it, bring them out. When you are done, as you remove your clothes from the rope, also remove the pegs. He said, okay. But I keep meeting the pegs there every day. Not until this year, when Fumi wanted to spread the clothes. The first time, actually, Fumi managed it that way. The second time, she said, she came to meet me inside. She woke me up and said, there are pegs, those pegs she wants to remove. I just told her, do what would be convenient for you so that you can leave the sun on time and don't disrupt my sleep. She left. The next thing, she came back. She woke me up and said, Mommy, your tenant's girlfriend, as I removed the pegs and kept them on top your pumping machine, your tenant's girlfriend from their window asked me why I removed the pegs, and she commanded me to, put them back. So I asked her, are you done with the clothes? She said yes. I asked if she spread the clothes already. She said yes. And I told her, let it be. Come inside and rest, or you go and play. 2 days later, I noticed Precious, she changed. So what I did was I stopped sitting down with her in my compound. Whenever the children have left for school, I stay indoor. When they're around, oh, mommy, let's play outside. That's when I come out to the compound. And one fate, she stopped greeting me anyways. But I wasn't bothered. So on a fateful day, anytime all this happens, I call him and I tell him, see what is going on. Please address it when you return. So there was a fateful day he came back. I told him about the pegs and all of that. I tried to explain to him. I said, look, you're an adult, I'm an adult. Precious is finding fault at Fumi always. Fumi is not the only girl, the only child here. Joke is here. And I told him, I said, remember, there's nobody in the house here to assist me. If she makes these children leave, who will assist me indoor? And then he said he was sorry about the whole thing. He was going to talk to her. But I noticed something, man. Whenever he tries to talk to her, she declines. And on several cases, whenever I am talking to Ikena, maybe as regards the light bill or fuel to pump water, Precious stands there. She comes and stands, and I'm like, why are you doing this? Why is she doing this? She kept doing this. Sometimes she will call Ikena on the phone when she knows I'm talking to him outside. Not only him, even my other tenant. She will call him and he tells her, we're having a meeting with our landlady. And she tells him, come. And I will have to voice out, we're having a meeting, he can't come now. So many other instances, but there was a day I called her. Okay, I told Ikena, when you return from work, we need to see, please. Because one of these children went to report to their mother, and the mother came. I felt bad. So when he returned from work, I told him, we can sit in my parlor as usual or in the compound. So, but along the line, I had to explain to him something happened this evening. Precious again did not greet me. I did not complain. I've not complained for over a month. She has not been greeting me. But the children don't greet her and she wants to correct them. And these children comes indoor to come and ask me, Mommy, why is your tenant's girlfriend not greeting you? And we are greeting her, and I always tell them, greet and pass. To the extent, heaven bears me a witness. I told them to open the Bible. They said some things, and I told them to open to the book of James chapter 3 and read what the Bible says there about the tongue, that we should tame our tongue. And that was it. So suddenly he returned. When he came, I was talking to him about it, and he tapped me. I told him later we'll talk. So he said, no, man, let's talk now. I said, later, we can talk later. It's not a big deal. So he wanted to know what happened that day. So I now told him, I said, hold on. I called Precious. She didn't answer me. And I asked him, did you see that? I called again, Precious. She didn't answer. Then Ikena called her and she turned. So he asked her, he said, my landlady called you. You didn't answer. Why? And she said, because she does not want to answer. So I said, okay, it's fine. But I just wanted to say something. You don't greet me. I don't trouble you about this. I don't make an attempt to correct you. Please leave these children. Because you trying to correct them repeatedly, you are the only one correcting them in the compound. You're the only one finding their faults in the compound. Your boyfriend Ikena does not, I don't, Mr. Pascal does not, Esther does not. And then I told her, please, keep your eyes off these children. They are the only ones assisting me indoor and in the compound. And then she, you know, she fled and said, I will remove my eyes from them. And you two, you know, leave me alone. So I was like, I'm not holding you. We're all adults here. And then she said she uttered a statement that day. I can't remember. She uttered a statement and then she turned. She was walking out on every one of us. And then suddenly I pulled her back. I said, hold on, we are all here talking. Let's settle this here before the day runs out. And then that was how Ikenna held me and said, Ma, please, let's go out to go and talk outside, maybe at the bar behind us or your sitting room. I said, anywhere, but can you address this? Can we just address this here first? So he was trying to make peace. My other tenant came out and was trying to make peace too. So suddenly, Precious collected this from my hand while Ikenna held me. She took advantage. She collected this walking staff from. Then I had not even started walking very well. She collected this walking staff from my hand, and then she told Ikenna, "Get out from there. Why are you begging her? Why are you apologizing to her? Let me use this thing and hit her head and show her that where her madness stopped, that's where another person's madness starts." And I was like, you will hit this on my head. And you collected this from me, not minding my situation. What if I fall down here and get paralyzed? What would you do? And that was how Mr. Pascal told her to get inside and listen to Ikenna. 2 days later, okay, some of my neighbors came into this and they asked him to call her to apologize. Mr. Pascal, that's my other tenants, came. He said, let's make peace and all of it. I said, no, I need to take this matter to the station because I feel my life is at stake. The children were not even at home. At that time, they had gone home. They were staying with me.
How long ago was this?
This happened in March. This particular one happened in March. It happened
and there has not been a
March
repetition
15th.
of that since then? There hasn't been a repetition of that since that time till now?
No.
Okay.
No. But there were other scenarios.
So what I can gather is you don't have problem with him per se. It's the girlfriend you have problem with. That's more like it. Everything I've said so far is all about the girlfriend, not him. Right?
Yes.
What do you have to say to her?
I packed him into their compound last. So we are all living fine, yes. Everybody do okay for the compound. We do okay, we are doing fine, no issue, no wahala. So later, my fiance, the girl I want to marry, she came January. She came January, that should be either 22 or 21, if I'm not mistaken. So when she came, she wanted to stay on her own. But I told her no, all of us in this compound will rapport together. She said okay. Sometimes she will do soap and she will give to her.
That was just once.
Sometimes
It was just once. Not sometimes. It was once.
she will do groundnut, she will fry groundnut, she will give to her. We are in good times in the compound. So later, there was these two children that was helping her, Fumi and Joke. They came, she called them, they came, they were helping her. So there was a peg in that compound. That peg is not my own. That peg has been in that compound before I packed in. The former tenant was the owner of the peg. So she now asked me to remove that peg from that room. I asked her, how will I remove rope? How will I remove peg that is not my own? She said Mr. Pascal, being the other tenant, told her that he left the peg for me. So unfortunately, one day Mr. Pascal was on in the gen. He wanted to pump water that day. I asked Mr. Pascal, please don't be offended. Did you tell Madam Alice that you left this peg for me? Mr. Pascal said no. That he left this peg on this rope, that whoever that wants to use it can use it. That was what Mr. Pascal said. I said okay. So that girl, Fumi, the day she went to wash clothes, she washed clothes. She removed the peg from that robe and dropped that peg on top the generator house, the generator where we pump water. So my fiance now saw that peg where she kept it and tell her, Fumi, remove this peg from here, put it back in that robe. Maybe this peg now staying on this place, it may fall down and lost, or maybe spoil, or maybe one day they will ungen, the peg will fall out. Fumi now went and told her that my girlfriend said she should remove the peg from the generator house. She came out that day. She was hollering, all sort and done, all sort and done. When I came back, she explained to me. I told her, this peg is not my own. Mr. Pascal said he left this peg on this rope. Whoever I want to use it. But Fumi remove it from that place. What if the peg lost or anything? That one is the first story. Then the second one, about the greeting that she said. Joke and Fumi, they will see you as a senior. They will greet you good morning, just normal good morning and go. They do that once in a while. They do that. So one day my fiance now called them, Fumi, Joke. I'm not against you greeting someone good morning, just like that. At least add some respect to it. Say good morning, sir, or good morning, ma. They went and reported to her. She was angry. She came out.
How does she greet her when she sees her?
My girlfriend greets her good morning, ma. Even I greet her good morning,
ma.
Yes.
That's not true. That's not true.
So the next one was the girl. They will leave their toilet inside the room. They will come out in the tap that everybody uses in the compound. Then maybe you can fetch water from there. Maybe if you want to wash clothes, or maybe you want to do something, or maybe my cousin I want to wash his car. They will come to the tap and be brushing their teeth. My fiancé will now see them say, Fumi, Joke, I did not say you should not brush teeth here, but look for cup, fetch water, go one side and brush your teeth.
Face your front, stop looking.
Sorry, ma. And brush your teeth. They will now go and report the matter to her. She started hollering, all sorts of things. I now called my girlfriend, say, please avoid these people. Whatever they are doing, allow them to do. Remove your eyes from.
And she complied.
And she complied. She stopped disturbing them. So one day I was the person to pump water, to buy fuel and pump water in the compound. She called me and said, you need to buy fuel. I said, okay, no problem. I called my fiancé, said, babe, please, can you go and buy fuel? I'm the person to pump water, it's my turn. She said she can't go that because it was during afternoon time, 12:01. She said there is sun that she can't go out. I said, okay. Oh yeah, wait, during evening time, you can go. That was what happened. So she waited.
Honorable, please, can I sit? I'm having pain.
Just a minute.
So she waited. During that evening time, she came out to buy the fuel. I myself, I was coming back from work that day. So when we get to the gate, because there's something she did, when I park into that compound, I begged her, let's put a jam lock in these gates. She refused. She said no, that she has her reasons. I said, but it's not fine. If I'm going out, I'll come and call you. If I'm coming back, I'll knock at the gate. I'll be knocking at the gate for you to come and open gate for me. Meaning as if you are monitoring my movement. I talked to her. She said she has the jam lock. She showed me the jam lock, but she won't put it for her reasons. That's what she said. I said, okay, no problem.
If she's not complaining, if you wake her up at 3 a.m. to open the gate, and as long as she opens the gate for you,
if I'm going out,
it's convenient for her. That's what it means.
So that one is aside. So when I came back that day, I was knocking at the gate, and my fiancée, she's back already. She's back already from buying the fuel. We are outside waiting for her to open the gate. So she now opened the gate. We came inside. She said she wants to see me. That she don't know if
Around what time was that?
That was around 6:30. She said she wants to see me. She don't know if I'm going to work the next day, being Saturday or Sunday. I said, no, I'm around. I'm not going anywhere. She said, okay, since I'm around, we will talk the thing later. I said, okay. So on the process, my fiancé now passed. She called her back. Precious. she stopped. She said, Precious, did you greet me? That was what she asked my girlfriend. My girlfriend said, yes, I greeted you in the afternoon when I came to report Esther issue to you. She said, yes, she's aware. But did you greet me this evening? So my girlfriend now said, it's okay. Say when I was passing to go and buy the fare, you were on call. So I was thinking maybe if I greet you, you won't hear me or whatsoever. Before you know, she sparked that same evening. Say, Precious, be preaching what you are doing, what you say people should do. Be doing what you preach for people to do. That's what she was telling Precious. She was hollering. And I noticed that it's like she wanted to fight my fiance that day. So I was just watching at them. I did not say anything. So she was hollering, telling my girlfriend, you do this, you do that. No, she said so many things in her mouth. So my girlfriend now told her, ma, please, I'm not ready for this. That was what she said. I'm not ready for this. She turned to go out. She dragged her back. Later she dragged her back. My girlfriend said, ma, I'm not ready for this. She now heard, she was hitting her on her cheek. My girlfriend said, ma, I'm not ready for this. She left hitting her on her cheek, started hitting her on her chest. I noticed that this thing may cause another issue. So I was coming down the beat to meet them. Before you know, that same hand again, she raised it up and was hitting my fiance on her cheek. So my fiance now hold her hand and said, ma, please stop this, I'm not ready for this. So in the process of telling her, she was holding her walking stick in her hand. She was hitting her with this hand. So she left the walking stick to slap her. My girlfriend now held the hand. My girlfriend now held the hand. So the walking stick was on the floor. She picked up the walking. When she left, because I came into their middle, trying to separate them, and I said, okay, if I hold my girlfriend, she will hit her, and if I hold her, my girlfriend will not hit her since I'm there. So I now heard her. I said, ma, please, it's okay, please. I was begging her, it's okay, it's okay. So my girlfriend now picked that walking stick from the floor and said if she touch her again, she will hit her the walking stick. So I cautioned her, even my neighbor cautioned her. She dropped it and went inside. She was angry. She sparked, said, Lila, she will deal with Precious today. And I followed her. I said, ma, please, we should forget about this thing. We should forget about this thing. We are one in this compound. Forget about this thing. I begged her. She refused. She went inside the house. She came out. She even went outside. I came outside. I was begging her with other people outside there. She refused. She said she must do what is in her mind. Maybe she not do it, she won't rest. I begged. Even to the extent she stopped bike to enter. I chased the bike man away. Say go. I was still begging her. She refused. She now went to the station. I reported the matter to the station. So the policeman now called me and said, are you Iken? I said, yes. They would like to see me in the station the next day. I said, okay, no problem. So the next day we went to the station. So when we get to the station, we narrated how it happened to the policeman. The policeman said, okay, he has seen that this is just a compound issue, that we should just sort it out and settle this thing once more. That we should apologize to her. I said, okay, I called my fiance. We are coming closer to her to apologize to her. She said no, that she won't take apology.
Hello lovelies, I believe you enjoyed this video and you must have learned one or two from this sagalicious case. Please don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe bell so that you get notified on the next sagalicious case. See you on my next video.